Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous little 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. Guys, this is an outstanding car. Bought this car at a Mopar show. Jordy that works for me actually drove this car about 5 hours on the expressway. It's 75 miles an hour. It's got air. The air blows ice cold. This is just a good car. It's an older restoration, which is kind of funny. The guy who restored this car was there when I was buying the car. I've actually bought cars from him before. He restored this car. He said it was over 15 years ago for a lady. He said she had the car for about 7-8 years, and then she decided she wanted to sell it. He called a buddy of his, and he bought it, and he's had it ever since, and that's who I bought it from. But a great car. You can nitpick some things on it, and I'll try to point that out as we go through it. But a great car, man. Matching numbers, 383 car, factory red car, factory air. I love the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with the bigger Cragars on it with the knockoffs. You can see it's got front and rear enduro bumpers. That's pretty rare. It's also got air that blows ice cold. It's only got about 3,000 miles on the restoration too. Again, you can nitpick some stuff. You know, you're going to see some little touch-up marks. There's some cracks in the enduro bumper, but very nice, man. I don't want to overpick this paint because it's really slick. But like I say, you can see some little things. These are extremely rare, man. We got a good buddy of ours, Roy Santola, that has restored a ton of these cars, and he'll tell you how rare those enduro bumpers are. But slick paint, runs and drives excellent. Just a good car. And like I say, Jordy drove it, 4.5, 5 hours on the expressway. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, there's a couple little marks in the paint that you can nitpick. It's got the going on the back. Again, front and rear enduro bumpers. The car's got all the original body panels too. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, it's got the some good sized meats on the back of those BF Goodrich Radial TAs. It's got the machine gun tips. Kind of nitpick a little bit, but I'll tell you what, I wouldn't do anything to this car, man. Turn the key and go drive it. Rock solid body, and like I say, it just runs and drives just as sweet as can be. It's got the front disc brakes. Front chin spoiler. Again, a couple little touch-up marks in the paint there. This is a matching numbers 383 cubic inch engine, 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes. Car does have air. The air works. There's your fender tag, factory FE5 red car. They have converted it to electronic ignition. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Sorry, I took the little, I'll show you, but I took the little bolt out so we could get a good picture of the fender tag here. So you can move. I took that little bolt out. There's your fender tag. I got a good picture of it too. I'll get that posted. Really just a good looking car, guys. Bunch of new stuff, guys. If you call the shop, the guys can get you more photos of stuff. I know I'm slow getting these cars advertised, and that kind of frustrates people, and cars end up getting sold before they get advertised, but I think there's, you know, I think these videos are very productive. I try to give you my opinion on the car, which is really all these cars are, is opinions. Factory black interior. Bucket seats, console, tough wheel. It's got all the seat belts in it. Factory dash, 3556. That's what's on the restoration. So the car hasn't had a ton of miles since it's been restored. Factory tack and gauges. I know that AM radio works. It's not a big gear. It's like a 323. It's definitely a road gear. Like I say, Jordy was rolling 75 miles behind me. I was in the hauler, 75, you know, and we were on the road for 4.5, 5 hours. So this car will roll out. I wouldn't be afraid to get in it, turn the key, and drive anywhere. Factory jack with the spare. You see all the original insulation still on the quarters. Got the original quarters on it. It's body color in here. It's just a good car, man. Floors are nice and solid. We got some pictures of the underside for you. Just a little dust in there, guys. Great car, man. Seats are nice. Like I say, I wouldn't be afraid to jump in this thing and go anywhere. It's just a good car. Oh shoot, that's my little pocket knife. I knew I lost it yesterday when I was sitting in this thing. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Let Jordy started up here. He's a rookie, guys. Should just crank right up. Nope, you don't have to pump it. There you go. He's a rookie. Like I say, the AC works, air blows cold. Easy there, hot rod. Oop. Bear with me while I try to do these one-handed. Not the easiest thing in the world to do. There we go. Like this car, man. This is the kind of car that's kept us around for 41 years, guys. Just a good car, man. It's not a 10, but doggone it, it's a really nice 7. A little rev, just a little one. Don't go crazy. Well, started to move. And we'll have to check it. All your other gauges are working. Go ahead, you can shut that, Jordy. Jordy, brake lights. Backup lights work. Couple little revs. He's a little overzealous in there, guys. He's excited. I'll go ahead and turn your radio on. I know the radio works. Blower motor works. I'm not sure about the tack. Was the tack working when we bought it? We drove it? No. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. The tack was not working. Okay, so the tack does not work. Wipers. Nope, horn. Hit the horn. Hit the horn. There you go. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Or as always, watch this guy coming, Jordy. Pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a pretty car right there, guys. Yeah, that car's just got a good look to it. Nope. No, Jordy, wait. Give yourself some time. There you go. Go ahead. Have a great day, guys.